in the hotel industry in Jamaica, and which the government of Jamaica is not doing nothing about it. Alright, look what I have right here.
Excuse me. Can you please go?
Alright, so we go listen to the police because me don't really want nobody beat me up and lock me up, because in Jamaica as a poor man you don't really have no rights and you don't beat up and abuse you and anything, you understand?
Please go.
Alright, a boss will come in, run you off a property, disrespect you. This is did this to several people, several amount of people. This was my first time actually ever meeting this person when the incident actually happened. And he just run me off the property for no reason.
How long do you plan to keep up this protest?
Most of you would have heard of the story of Matthew Rodney, an employee that was dismissed months ago from one of Jamaica's premier tourist resorts in the island. However, he has come again and is sharing another side of a recent event that unfolded with him once more. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and when we return we'll have the full and exclusive details of this to come on the program.
Good evening, each and everyone, all Jamaicans, yard and abroad, all over. People, see a while ago, you say, me never strong and mine not strong, but I just myself and commit and done with life a while ago. To the system I put for me just because I stand up for myself and the disrespect I get and talk out against what people have faced. Alright, see my idea. Today is the 2nd of November, right? Alright. And this is a letter I actually get. Now I have time to read out it, but I go say something fast because it's true. I think about me. I say alright, just come to some more other little, some other little thing because to go on better for much months now. See there. Maybe me want to talk. I see that my son crib me there. I fix up this morning. I'm left out and go to work.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk. This is the place where we discuss issues of national importance, global importance, or the situation that are buzzing in the news. Some months ago, I brought to you a story of Matthew Rodney, a hotel worker that was unfairly dismissed from his job, and he's actually sharing another story he recently encountered while he gained employment at another resort. Many people are faced with this challenge and they are afraid to come out and speak about the whole entire situation. But Matthew Rodney is letting his voice be heard, and I'm hoping that someone could just help this individual as he's reaching out and asking for help. So if anyone out there could just listen to his story, if you've missed his previous story where he shared what he experienced while working at a previous resort, I'll try to insert a clip of that video in this video for you to have a more detailed understanding of where we're coming from to where we're at. So this was Matthew some months ago, sharing his experience of what happened to him while working at one of the top premier tourist resorts in the island. So let's go over to that now.
So alright, so you gonna tell me like you just go like I was here like serving the guests. Alright, you're the boss, right? For all inclusive resort. And I be here working and you're telling me that that's what you're gonna do? So you're gonna come and tell me like I'm need to alright. Me go tell social media all of these people doing something right now. Alright, ladies. Alright, so that's the boss for the resort. I was just over here talking to you ladies and just offering you a service. You know what he's trying to do right now? Trying to tell me I need to get off the property and go home. What did I do? I was just here like serving you a drink, right? And asking you a few questions. I was just right here. He was telling me like get off the property and go home. What did I do? Man, this is my job, bro, and I put it on social media, bro. He always try to do people that, bro. People worry that people need money, bro. You don't come like that just because your boss. He's a racist guy. Why you? Alright, yo, bro. I even try to. No, don't tell me that, bro. I even try to talk to him, bro. I even try to talk to the guy. I even try to talk to him. I said, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
He been working here the
No,
whole time.
I be working here. Alright, I just came over here to get like few glasses, right? I'm gonna put it on social media. You think I give a f? Yo, the man come here and say, yo, he just come right here, sir. He just pull up right here. He just pull up. That's very cheap, brother. The white guy. That's what he do. Most people work here. You just come in here, leave my property, go home. You don't belong here. Them cheap people like man. People work here, bro. Nothing, bro. He just come here, he's standing here like, you standing over here talking to the lady. I just come to get like 2 dirty glasses, bro. Yo, you better me a bad man, you to want to the boy camp. Hey, I want you, youth, and you gotta pay me my money today. Get my money today. Want you, youth, and I ain't taking my phone off social media. I can't call it every yo, girls, was I flirting with you doing nothing a while ago? I just came to get like 2 dirty glasses and you asked me all a question. I'm like, where you from? They say, yeah. And that's it. Argument done. I went back there. He'll be like, get on here, leave here. That's what I always do. Yo, I hate the girl give her some stuff for her back, bro. No, we don't work like that, brother. Who because this from a Jamaica and think they have money they can because better. Oh, I'm here better. You gotta pay me my money today. But better today. It's a madness, yo. Brother, just leave me alone, brother. I can get my money today. On social media, this I go today, brother. Every time them should they come here and come make piece of money, brother, they can brother. I want you, brother. Today. Get my money today, brother. Yo, bro, you know I be up here, man. Like the guy who only resort is a white guy. Racist, man. I be out here talking to like the 2 girls, bro. The guy he come over here. Leave my property, get off. Don't talk to me. I'm a black man, brother. That's where I come from, brother. You know, the can't tell me nothing else, brother. You never know say something mad, brother. Yo, I'ma put it on social media, dog. Yo, the guy just come up here, bro. I was talking to 2 girls. The guy just come up behind me, bro. Taking a video. Yeah, the guy, get off the property, get off my property. Like I give a There's no way to handle things. There's no way to handle nothing. That's on cheap people, brother. That's on cheap people, brother. There's no way to handle nothing, brother. That's on cheap people. I'm not have to get my money today, brother. I tell you, brother. It's a madness, brother. Tell me, I tell you, brother. It's a madness. You hear me? I tell you. Don't boy, brother. I treat people like shit. I work for you, brother. Do much work, brother. You just walk in, brother. You want disrespect people, brother. Yo. I'm here, dog. I can tell me, everywhere. I'm here, brother. You must see like I'm a I'm the boy you gotta give me my money today, brother. Bro. Today, brother. Tell me I tell you, brother. I don't give a no, brother, somebody, yo, brother, don't, listen. Maybe I've done, don't assault me, brother. Cause once you touch me, brother, if you want to touch me, brother, alright, don't try to see him, brother. Cause any man touch me today, brother, problem, brother. Me not give a who him, brother, come and tell me, yo, lose weight, there's no fucking go and wait and get me money today. Get my money today, brother. Get my money today, brother. Fuck, man up this side, yo, them white people that come to Jamaica and try brother. People that work here, do your work and you make millions and never pay people no money, brother. And do I treat people like just get me money today, brother. You think you know where I'm brother? No, dog, I want to you, brother. Somebody have to take a stand against them. I want to you, dog. You have to get me shit today, dog. I want you. No, me not relax, brother. And keep don't chat. Watch it. Don't assault me. Me never touch you. Don't assault me. Yo, every time people be working for these people, that's how they do, brother. They come, then my property. Who the f***? You feel like I want to cross to make up. But so you have money, my friend, I'm a bad man. I'm from a bad man to must you feel like me if you have money. Tell me, I tell you, brother. Me never touch no man can't touch me, brother. Tell me, I tell you. Give a didn't get me money today, I'm left. If me don't get me money today, me don't give a tell me, I tell you, get me brother. Come go like you can't disrespect, man. Like, oh, I'm here. Get my money now, I'm leave. I call this get me money now. You get me no, me not give a all the time we do people work, fool and do be a man. No, me no explain nothing to them, man, they brother. Nothing me no explain to him, brother. I mean, just want him to touch me, because fling him off like she not touch me, brother. You. No, brother, you can't tell me that, brother. You can't come tell me that, brother. You can't tell me that. Me I tell you that right now.
Yeah, no problem. Just go on home until Monday we'll call you and we'll start.
No, get me money. No, brother. No, get me money. No. You me I tell you, get me money. No, brother. Brother, that's not we have no unity as black people, brother. Come see man come and tell my body. And you all no to see me come jar each up back him. None of us not for nobody, brother. You all not you can't tell me nothing, youth.
Yo, this one's not touch her, no. Any man, me not touch her, you touch me to them, I block someone in the face, brother. She say me mad, brother. Oh, I'm tear, brother. Oh, I'm tear, dog. She didn't say that money can do. Brother, yo, I'm tear, dog. Just using a man, me not talk, brother. Me a rebel and a social media, me a put it on, brother. You don't cheat people with your work, so, brother. Come and work and show a man have him money and he have him place, he can come tell her, go on your yard. And he will know, so don't tell me to come, brother. That me I tell you, what I know. I'm not on the phone one day, no unity, no, brother. I'll do a run back and I hit you, me no. So that me I tell you, brother, me no hug up, man, me no kiss, man, no, brother, me no do none of that thing, no, brother. That me I tell you, brother, me a brother. That's why me can't look work, brother, me no beg people, brother, go suck. But it's like, but afraid of who? I'm here, brother, madness to do already, yeah? That me I tell you, get me money now. I don't give a money now. That me I tell you, brother, social media, every outside me I put it on, brother. Don't brother. Don't.
In his expletive-laced charade, he also accused the hotel's management of racism and suggested that the owners are foreigners. However, Issa, who was born in Jamaica and attended school here, said that he never imported a manager for any of his properties. All our managers, including general managers, are black Jamaican, Issa declared, expressing surprise by the statement made by Rodney. After reviewing reports regarding an incident that occurred at Spanish Court Hotel in Montego Bay, St. James on June the 4th, 2022, between team members, one of whom became disgruntled, which involved hotel guests, we are aware of a smear campaign spreading on social media posted recently, the company said in a post on its Instagram account today. We share this public statement denouncing these false accusations in which his former employee has made. He has sent the video to a blogger who continue to spread these vicious and harmful lies about our workplace, our team and community, he added. The hotel have stated that it does not tolerate any discrimination or harassment against any of its employees or guests. We uphold our values in building a strong company culture of team members, and we are committed to our team, our guests and community. 100% of our team members are Jamaican, and every one of our employees are the backbone of our business, delivering unparalleled excellent service, the very essence for which we are highly recognized. When our news team checked on social media, many people were in support of Rodney's action based on the viral video that has been circulating online. One individual posted on social media, I believe every single word this young man has said. Many of these depigmented people come here to treat our workers like crap. I've witnessed this with my own eyes actually, she stated. Another social media user wrote, may believe every word. I've seen the behavior of some of these top managers to staff. I'm just sorry that he didn't keep his cool while stating his claim and recorded everything. Another user wrote, already got this in write-up reviews on TripAdvisory. The way the manager treated him unprofessional in front of guests was so disgusting and disrespectful, another user wrote. Based on the viral video that is making rounds on social media, it's very clear that many people are in high support of the former employee of this hotel. Fast forward a few months later, Matthew Rodney is basically back in the same position and is sharing his experience he had and then finally landing himself a job. However, things took a turn for the worse, which he's about to share with us.
See a while ago, he said, me never strong and mine is strong, but that was and done with life a while ago. To the system I put for me just because I stand up for myself and the disrespect I get and talk out against what people are face. Alright, see my idea. Today is the 2nd of November, right? Alright, and this is a letter I actually get. Now I go have time to read out it, but I go say something fast because it's true me I think about I say alright, just come to some more other little, some other little thing because to go and brother for much months now. See there. Maybe me want to talk. I see there my son crib me there. I fix up this morning, I'm left out and go to work. Free work for me can make money to take care of my family, you understand? So me get a job at Iberia Star. It's like I want independent company for Iberia Star property, you understand? So I go through the interview, do everything.
Wagwan my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to the channel. So I don't remember that youth when you're Matthew which who was some months ago at the center of termination incident at the S Hotel in Mobay. He was recently terminated from another well-known hotel establishment today. You know people, I know they must say, yo, Matthew Salt, because you don't know the whole incident where he was terminated at S Hotel. Yeah, man, he make a video, him go live, the video went viral, and he speaks about it, him start protest about it, you understand? So, seemed like he got a next job at a hotel, but I don't know how I went done in the people, but something went done, and then basically terminate him, is him, I say fire him, and him basically speaks out about the whole situation. As me say, Jano. You can't say what the youth is a real youth and him a try hard, but they see like them a try to hold him down. Remember me tell the people them a try hard to hold him down. So as me say, him speaks out about the whole situation, you understand? And as me say, it's definitely sad. Hopefully him can get a work where him not have to go a hotel. I understand, because it come like the whole of the hotel them link, and once you do something bad at one hotel, them gonna send you over to the other hotel them. So which if you try if you apply for work, them not gonna make you get the work. So here are my people, this is why go and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And also to where the pressure reach him, I want to pray if you take him on a life. You take him on a 3 pints people, because as I say the pressure reach him, and he might try fix up him son crib and that. Is him I say he might try work money for the family basically, but John will man hold him down. As I say, listen why go and subscribe to the channel if you're new.
Good evening, each and everyone, all Jamaicans, yard and abroad, all over. People, see a while ago, you say me never strong and mine not strong, but that just and done with life a while ago. To the system I put for me just because I stand up for myself, and the disrespect I get, I'm talk out against what people are face. Alright, see my idea. Today is the 2nd of November, right? Alright, and this is a letter I actually get. Now I go have time to read out it, but I go say something fast, because it's true me I think about I say alright, just come to some more other little, you know, some other little thing, because to go and better for much months now. See there. Maybe me want to talk. I see that my son crib me there. I fix up this morning, I'm left out and go to work. Free work for me can make money to take care of my family, you understand? So me get a job at Iberia Star. It's like I want independent company for Iberia Star property, you understand? So I go through the interview, do all everything, pass the interview, bring in my documents and everything, go back, just fill up back application, get my uniform, bring my uniform, go to tailor, go back, got you all of that, do police record already, go run up and down, get every recommendation, all of them something, do you understand? Normal procedure. If you go, me get, yeah, the application form fill out the last day I go. So they me get one booklet I'm supposed to read, but it's sales because it's a sales rep me that go do, it's not a bartending anymore. So me I read both the book, study book, back and front, you know, come say, yeah, me I go get the American one. Study book, you know, one big book, you know, me I study it, you know, from front to back, you know, for about a couple of days I use and I do it, you know, sleepless night, me I use and do it, you know, brother, build up my energy and build up my courage, and if you say, alright, I'm going to go back out there and just try to put this past me and just try to move forward and try to go and take care of my family. The first day I go good, you understand everything good. You see, second day I go, which is today would have be the 2nd of November, right? The 2nd of November today be, you know, I tell you, you know, I go, you know, they just call me out, and how much I did, they just call me out, give me one letter, and sit me, understand, and send me a yard, so if you hand him back my ID, hand him back the uniform and all that. I'm telling you that because if me as a Jamaican stand up for me right now Jamaica, because of what really happen, me look out against what really reach me and me talk against it. So mean say I'm supposed to suffer now in Jamaica or turn to illegal activity now so I can provide for my family. Mr. Mark Golin, my name is Matthew Rodney, Mr. Mark Golin. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, he doesn't care about people. So I understand that. But I know that the opposition leader, they still have some power investing with you, sir. So Mr. Mark Golin, I'm at the edge and I'm at a breaking point. I don't know how crazy it might get going forward from this. But you know, I have to provide for my family, half of the year, sir. So Mr. Mark Golin, people from the PMP, I think you guys still have power in the country. I should think so, but this is my last resort. May I come to you before me actually gonna do what me have to do because I have to get my voices out. So the customer coming into Jamaica can see. So if them can see and even stop coming and stop spending money with these resorts, then probably then. So my next alternative to move to that. But before I ever move to that, Sir Mark Golden, please I'm asking you, sir. Please weigh in on my situation, tap in. Send an investigation, we investigate everything that I've said, everything that may experience, everything that happened. Even though people might think, say, yeah, how you behave on the video, it wasn't right in our corporate entity, but was it right for our owner hotel to come in and disrespect you? And because you're black, he run you up, and I'm not the only person he done that too. A lot of person he done that too, you understand? So I'm asking Mr. Mark Golden, please weigh in on this situation before he really get out of hand. Because right now, you see, son crib me and set up, brother. You see me a pain in my heart right now, me I tell him. Months me no work, me no have no money, brother. I just, you see me, I just threw me the bartender one time when you can save a little dollar then and then. All of that they gone now. You understand? So basically scrape me a script now. I expect baby in a like couple more, less than 3 weeks. You understand? And me go look at work because think disrespect where I get. And me talk about it, just we change. And so somebody could have come in and come adjust it so it can be rectified. So when people go through things like this, it can be stopped. And nobody coming, nobody selling. So Mr. Mark Golden, I'm calling to you. I even sent a petition to the government office already. No response, nothing of that. No link have sent back to me so I could send it around so people could sign the petition. So Mr. Mark Golden, People National Party, I'm calling on you guys. I'm calling on you guys right now. So if you guys could just weigh in on this situation and give, even try to get a listening ear to me so I could explain the situation even one-on-one in detail to you so people you can understand, because I have been through it and I'm still going through it. The Christopher Issa, he even make sure he call the JP that's write a letter give me, because the JP live across from me, JP is my neighbor. Him call the JP, tell the JP say what kind of madman him see right recommendation can give. So he might try to stop me in every way. And what I'm gonna do from here, I know they ain't gonna kill me. You understand? Because what I'm gonna do and get to make it go forward, they're gonna kill me. But for right now, if you could, Mr. Mark Golden, sir, if you could adjust the situation and try to like help me out as a law-abiding citizen in the country, because I'm not a criminal. I don't involve in criminal activity. I don't have a criminal mindset. Even when I hear people try to convince me, say, boy, go this, people can say, yo, go do some scamming in the mind and sitting. I go thief 2 car, go drive 2 car, go someplace. I can't get your mindset there now. I can't motivate myself to do that. You understand? I can't think about that. You understand? So Mr. Mark Golden, please, I'm asking you, sir. So if you could just weigh in, sir. I'm just sending this message so people couldn't tag you couldn't see it. You could adjust me, because I go look at work and I get fired. Everywhere I go is a thing against me, because we talk about what really happened and somebody really can step in. So the hotel industry need a union. Need things like this so people have to go through things like this. You understand? So sir, please I'm asking, and thanks again, sir. Please, I hope in this video reach and you can sit down, when you look on it, you can see the video and see pain and see oppression I'm under right now, sir, and see everything what go on. You can see it, and you have no power investing in you, so you can do something about it. Please, me I ask you, sir. I don't want to turn to criminality. Please, me I beg you. Please, me I beg you, sir. Please. The Issas and whatever I do, they might clap down for me and they might try to wreck my life, wreck my career, wreck everything. So please, me ask you, sir, please step in before I have to step down to do something way, you know.
This has been Links 007 TV Let's Talk. I hope that you enjoy watching this video as we enjoy broadcasting it to you. I just hope that this individual just try to find and get some help, because I see that he's going through a very difficult time. This is Links 007 TV signing out right at this time.